Hi, my name is Dr. Lander here at Advanced Animal Care in Richmond, Kentucky, and today I'm going to be talking about treatments for intestinal parasite infections.
All right, Dr. Lander, how is my dog tested for worms?
So it's a pretty simple, straightforward diagnostic. We collect some stool, whether you bring it here or we collect it in-house. We do a fecal float to see if there's any eggs, and we look at that under the microscope.
What medication is used for deworming in dogs?
So kind of depends on the life stage that they're in. So maybe as a puppy, they'll get liquid formulations like Panicure or Nemex. And then if they get older and they're not on prevention, unfortunately, we might just do a one-time administration of something like Drontal.
So how can I deworm my dogs at home?
Deworming your dog at home, I will say the products best to give your dog are prescribed by a veterinarian, so usually requires an exam, and whether we send it home for you to give at home, those are the best products. You may pick some up at like a supermarket or a pet store, but again, I recommend them be prescribed by your veterinarian.
How often should my dog be dewormed?
Honestly, your dog should kind of be dewormed, whether it be kind of from a preventative standpoint, year-round. We have products like these that not only prevent against like heartworm, fleas, and ticks, but also intestinal parasite prevention. Like this one prevents against roundworms and hookworms. But all of these definitely supply some of that in terms of prevention. Dewormed, an annual stool sample is really good to just check and rule out, especially if we're on prevention. The likelihood that we have intestinal parasites is low, but it's always something to rule out.
So last question, what happens when my dog is dewormed?
When your dog is dewormed, they may honestly kind of like shed some of those. You may actually see live worms in its stool, in your dog's stool. But as a whole, we're getting rid of all the life stages present to hopefully clear them out. So don't be alarmed if you see anything like that.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.